Thank you. I come from Slovenia, and in Slovenia we also have a long history in cooperativas. It happens that during the communist time the type of cooperative was little different than it was in past, and today we have a lot of problems which are connected with these questions which was here. One problem is or to organize cooperativas on the base of production. It means the apple producer together or milk producer together, or have such a mixture of cooperativas. In Slovenia we have cooperativas which take care for all kinds of production, but at the end there is the lack how to support production of special species. And my question is, here was one question, how to have influence as farmer on the process inside cooperativas, but the another question is how can cooperativas compete with this big system, especially big stores, and at the end there is the problem how to sell, and we have big problems with this fair trade chain in agriculture field. So what is your suggestion, or in which kind you expect that it will be development, especially because I think that this fair trade and fair dividing of income is very important, and for me today is the bigger problem which farmers have is to get enough big part of price which is in the market, because the influence of farmers is not enough big and the share of this money is not fair.
Pan poseł Flanagan.